Namaskar, I am Dr. Medha Deshpande. Hello and welcome to this episode of Healing Crisis and Aloe Vera Gel. We have seen in the earlier episodes about how aloe vera works on human digestive system. We had seen the benefits of aloe vera in nutshell. Now in this episode I will be discussing about healing crisis of aloe vera. When you actually start taking aloe vera internally, you may experience some of the healing crisis. So what are they? Healing crisis. Again I am going to take the information from the authentic booklet which is published by Forever Living Products. Forever Living Products has done research on aloe vera for more than 2 decades, and this booklet and this information is going in 160 plus countries for last 42 years. The information and the words written in this book are most authentic. Okay, so let's see what are the healing crisis according to this book. Healing crisis is when you experience the symptoms from disease and toxins that are released during your detoxification process. That means when you start taking aloe vera, you may experience some symptoms like you may feel tired, you may get runny nose, you may develop body aches, you may have to go to toilet 2 3 times more, or you may even develop a fever. Okay, perhaps a simple example of healing crisis I will give you. What if every year you painted your walls in different color? As time went on, you layered color upon color. Finally, after 30 years in the house, you found that the newest paint was not sticking properly because layers of paint underneath were cracking and coming off. So you decided to strip off all the paint off the walls and give it a fresh coat of paint. Well, believe it or not, your body works in a similar way. As our bodies store fat, the chemistry of the fat reflects the internal body conditions at the time of the fat was stored. Each year, the illnesses that you caught left a small residue of the virus or bacteria in your fatty deposits. The toxins you ingested left their mark as well. Deposits throughout your body have kept a sampling record of what you have been throughout. Aloe vera has a unique quality of cleansing from inside out. It does not work superficially. Aloe vera will always uproot your problem. So it will work from inside out. You may get the experience these healing crisis symptoms. Okay, you may have some kind of discomfort sometimes. The best way to get rid of these symptoms is to drink plenty of water and continue with the regular doses of aloe vera, that is 100 ml per day. Avoid overeating during the healing crisis and eat only light meals that are easy to digest. So the you will get rid of healing crisis and the detoxification process becomes faster. So don't worry, you experience any healing crisis symptoms, continue with aloe vera. It is going to take time. Forever aloe vera gel is not a drug or a medicine, it is nutrition in a glass. It has excellent detoxification properties because of the presence of lignin and natural saponins in it. Lignin has a penetration power, and saponins are the miraculous natural cleansers, which is a gift of gods to human beings. This is a natural detoxifier. So don't discontinue aloe vera gel, keep on taking it, and slowly and in some times the healing crisis symptoms will disappear, and then your body will start absorbing nutrients in a better way. And when the absorption of nutrients is better, your skin will start glowing, you will start experiencing increased energy level, and the therapeutic conditions or the illness disorders whatever was prevailing will slowly and steadily gradually will diminish. This is the power of aloe. So start your new year with healthy lifestyle. Bye and thanks for listening to this session. I am your friend Dr. Medha Deshpande. If you have any further queries, you may contact me. My cell number is 9886642252. Don't forget to subscribe my channel because I am going to come out with the series of health benefits with aloe vera, and you can comment further or you can share it with your friends, and sharing is caring. So share the channel with your friends. Bye till then.